Hello everyone, my name is Jason Rinehart, brand ambassador for light painting brushes and Coast flashlights, and tonight I'm going to be showing you how to take light painting brushes tools and create something I call the Lotus. So the light painting brushes tools we'll be using this evening is the color filter and hood set, collapsible light sword, universal connector. Now these come in a variety of different colors, and we'll also be using the Coast G26 flashlight. So the camera settings we'll be using is ISO 500, f6.3. Now what we want to do, we want to try to bring in some of the environment around us. So you can always up your ISO or change your aperture accordingly to your shooting environment. It's important to know that if you change your ISO or you change your aperture, you're going to have to compensate by either moving faster or lowering the lumens of your flashlight. So the next step is to take your collapsible light sword, a universal connector, and your flashlight. I'm using a Coast G26, and what I'm going to do is you're going to turn your back to the camera. You want to start in a circular motion all the way around. Now once you get to this point, you want to switch to a new color. And again, repeat the same step. Next, what you want to do is face your camera, take your flashlight starting at the top, and we're going to add some flares into the image. Just work your way all the way down, turning your flashlight on and off all the way to the bottom. Now when you start on the other side, we don't want to start center, we want to start off center. And just again, on and off, all the way down until you get to the bottom. The next step is to take a color filter and hood set, a universal connector, and attach them together. You next want to take your flashlight. What you want to do is turn your back to your camera and just start painting the ground. You can paint the trees and just keep working your way back towards your camera.
Now let's turn off the lights.
So now that it's dark, let's go ahead and run through an image. Again, my settings are ISO 500, 6.3 in bulb. So first we're going to take a collapsible light sword. I got the pink one. I'm going to turn my back to my camera. We're going to start by going 360 degrees, full circle. Now once we get to this point, we want to switch colors. I'm now going to use the purple collapsible light sword. And again, we're going to go full circle. Next thing we want to do is face our camera. We're going to add flares. You want to start at the top and just work your way all the way down. On and off. Now when we do the other side, we don't want to start in the center. We want to start off center. So we want to start right here. On and off, working your way all the way down. Next step is to take the color filter and hood set, universal connector, put your flashlight in it, turn your back to your camera, start painting the scene. Paint the trees, up the trees, on the ground, just working your way back towards your camera. Alright, let's see what we got. We're now going to show you some examples using this very same technique that you've seen tonight in this tutorial. I personally want to thank each and every one of you that watched this tutorial this evening. Again, my name is Jason Rinehart, brand ambassador for light painting brushes and Coast flashlights. If you would like to see more of my work, you can find me on Instagram and find me on Facebook at Heartlight Photography. Now what do we tell them, girls?
Get out there and light paint!
Now get out there and light paint. Thank you.